Let us begin with our first segment on the importance of an application form from a legal perspective. Home loan agreement is a legal contract. Contract has three parts to it. The first stage is invitation to contract. In case of home loan, it is the application form that is submitted by a customer. The second stage is offer and acceptance of the contract. This is nothing but sanctioned letter detailing the terms of loan that needs to be signed by all applicants. The third and final stage is signing an agreement. In case of home loan, it is the loan agreement that is signed by the customer acknowledging debt. So, an application form is an important document as part of the legal contract. In case of any dispute, it is the first document that is submitted along with other documents by a lending institution in a court of law. There are certain do's and don'ts while filling an application form. Let me take you through 5 steps that should be followed. As a best practice, the first thing a good professional would do is to give heads up to the customer for the documents to be kept ready before meeting on the appointed date for filling up an application form. This will help in effectively utilizing the time spent with the prospective customer. The second is that an application form should be filled up by the customer. The role of a mortgage professional is to only assist the customer in filling the columns correctly. In reality, it is observed that a mortgage professional takes up the responsibility to fill up. The zeal to serve is good, but actually, it is a disservice to the customer. Let me explain this. The personal information about the applicants and their financial details may not be available with you, leading to an incomplete form. This, in turn, renders into rejection or delay in processing the application. You need to be humble and request the customer to fill the details, while you are at their side helping them to do so. The third important aspect is to fill the application form in capital or block letters. For example, the name of the customer should be written in block letters as Sanjay Sharma. The basic reason is that every one of us have different styles of writing. It needs to be legible so that the operations executive at the retail center are able to feed the right data in the system. The application form is also the first source of customer information. As home loans are for tenors of 20 to 30 years, it is all the more important to capture the details required. This information may be required by a number of functional teams right from credit to operations, technical, legal, and collections. The fourth important aspect is the color of the ink used. As a practice, it should be only black or blue as it gives better clarity for the reader. Over a period of time, organizations will be using processing technology to get data fields updated on the system by simply scanning the form. This would eliminate the manual data entry process. It is all the more important to fill the form with alphabets in capital, bold, and only in blue or black ink. The fifth important aspect is regarding overwriting and columns not applicable to a customer. It is best to avoid. If it happens, you should strike out instead of using whitener ink and write it again. The applicant should countersign the same. In case any column is not applicable for a particular customer segment or product category, it is good to write as not applicable or NA to avoid confusion in the mind of operations team processing the application.
Hey learners! There is special campaign going on our Virtuo Skill platform. Mission possible on the 78th year of independence. Virtuo Skill, India's first online digital learning platform offering certified mortgage professional Program has taken the mandate to certify 78,000 youths passing out from colleges and working professionals in India for the housing sector on our digital learning platform. The first step in this journey is to give free access to our most important module on Basics of Mortgage Finance course for a period of 30 days. On completion of the course, you can earn a certificate absolutely free that can be added to your profile. For more details, check the description below.